And something that you want to do is just whenever you're somewhere, preferably without shoes, you're learning to come through the heel to the center of the foot, to the ball of the foot. Now, this back leg here, I'm coming up off the toe. So in each one, we're learning to activate all of the bottom of the foot. It's like we're getting to know our feet again. I'm going to feel all parts of my foot on the ground. You don't have to go too wide because you don't want to deal with balance problems. And if you are out of balance, you might grip. And then we have certain practices where we move from the heel to the center to the front because the heel of the foot represents the lower Dantien and the middle of the foot is the middle Dantien and the ball of the foot and the toes are the upper Dantien. So as we do that, we're massaging all the energy centers. But in the center of the foot, if you point your toes, right, that's the kidney 1 point and it's called bubbling springs, which we're going to talk about because we need to work on grounding in this group. And we want the center of the foot connected to the earth because the energy comes into the kidney 1 point and then up into the body. Okay, so it's important. And that's also why we don't walk with barefoot on cold ground because the kidney point is exposed. Okay, so that's important.